So I'm going to go through on what happens if you pull a fire alarm in a building. Before I start, please never pull fire alarms in public unless there is a fire or if you have permission to. I am not responsible for your consequences. Anyways, so what happens when you pull an alarm? Well, first, the pull station will send a signal to the fire alarm control panel, which are the brains of the system. When the fire alarm control panel detects that a fire alarm is pulled, it will energize the horns and the strobes. And the fire alarm system will be in alarm mode. That will notify everybody that there is a fire emergency and they must evacuate the building immediately so they can get out to safety, and it's going to save their life. Another thing that happens is the fire doors automatically shut, and the emergency lights kick on, and fire dampers shut. The building's HVAC system shuts down, so it's not pushing air throughout the building, so it can contain the fire to protect occupants. The elevator goes to the ground floor, and then the most important part of a fire alarm system is contacting the fire department to address a fire emergency. That is all what happens when you pull a fire alarm in a building. And with access control, buildings with access control, it will automatically unlock when the fire alarm goes off, so people can escape the building easily if there is a fire, so they can get out to safety. So that is all of the stuff that happens when you pull a fire alarm in any building. Bye.